unmotivated. So you feel unmotivated, there's no creativity, so you don't know what to do, what's happening in your head, and things like that. Wow! This is our view. So, today is November 4, Tuesday, and I'm going to film. I don't know what to say, but yeah. So right now, I'm editing our anniversary vlog, but I'm not yet done. There's a comment in the comment section asking like what camera I'm using because it's clear. So this camera that I'm using right now is Osmo Pocket 3. Yeah, is that the full name? Yeah. So I'm using Osmo Pocket 3 for filming. And right now we have a typhoon. Look at outside. You see that? A while ago the storm is so strong. So a while ago the wind is so strong, but right now it's a little bit, it's better. I think it's better now. Little, just a little bit. Yeah, it's still raining, and wind is not that much strong compared to a while ago. Why are you shouting? Huh? Show them your cute face. Cute face. Cute face. Appa is working. Show cute face first. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Kiss ama. No. Oh, grabe. Hi! So we are in hotel. We are in the hotel right now. There's a typhoon. Yasu, say hi first.
Oh, Yasu, you will break it.
Baby, we're gonna pray if you're gonna break it.
Oh, break it, yeah. Hello.
I think we have to put it down. This is a CR. So cute. Yansu is here. Are you happy? Happy? I'll go outside. Happy. Yansu is so happy. We spent so much for this night. Unexpected spending because of the typhoon. It looks nice, right? So we're gonna stay here overnight because we don't have electricity at home. No electricity, no internet, and yeah. Yansu, say bye. Let's shower. Go. Let's go now. Okay, let's go. Love, what do you feel spending? What do you feel? It's okay. You don't have a choice. Lobby, right? Like, really, like, fully booked now. I mean, like, so many people are like... Good morning, Yansu! Hi, good morning! It's morning now. Whoa! This is the aftermath. That's a dog baby. That's the aftermath of the typhoon. Appa? Can you bring Yansu's food? Ah, you bring it? Already? Oh, we're gonna go now. There, oh, the yellow bag. A yellow bag. We're going down and eat breakfast. Ay, my slippers. Ay, Yansu's slippers too. Almost forgotten. Appa slippers. Appa, you say, Appa, your slippers. Huh? Ay, mato. I forgot to bring. Sorry. Ay, do you bring your baby? Say bye to the camera.
jump.
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 Over here. Jump.
Jump down na.
Jump here. Wow. Ito ba? Blippi, dance Blippi. Blippi, dance. Apa, yan sulit apa. Yan sulit apa, Blippi. Blippi, okay. Spell it. B-L-I. Blippi. Tapos so funny, guys. Oh! Yansu, dance with apa. Yansu apa dance. Yansu apa dance. Dance. Tanananan, tanananananananan, tananananan. Yansu, 사랑해요. 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 Flying kiss. Fighting. Fighting. Yansu, show me your cute face. Again, show me your cute face. Cute face. Cute face. Wow. So cute. So we're finally at home. I don't know if you can hear me, guys, because our generator is on. And right now I'm cooking for lunch. I'm cooking cold fried chicken. So today it's already Thursday, and as of now, the weather is so clear. Parang walang bagyo nangyari. Look at this. Look at the weather. The sky is so clear. And today, I'm gonna cook chicken inasal. So I already marinated it last night, and I'm just going to air fry it. Hey, are you okay? So stressed. Filipino time. So Henry is going to have a checkup. Lack of sleep. Lack of sleep. Sick. Double kill sick. I only have a sore throat, but you have a sore throat. The same. How's your eyes? Can I see? Show them. Come here.
I put already steroids.
Can you look at your, oh, before it was red, but now it's okay. Better, oh, it's my first time. It's Jollibee, different cover. And I'm craving for some spaghetti, Jollibee spaghetti. When was the last time I ate fast food? Eat love. You want spaghetti? You don't like it. Filipino spaghetti are the best. Oh.
Kalma.
So Henry has so many tests.
This is your mic.
No? Who's that? He has so many love test requests. We are so poor. We're going home. So when do you plan to take the test? Broccoli.
Whoa! Before I crush the car, I need to wear perfect. Right. Then I got my cat.
Broccoli.
Here we go. Oh, Let's get in the world!
Why it smells like ginger?
Why?
Mami? For you? Too strong. Harris. Oh, let's go na, let's go! Just made it out of scratch. Just kunamul, pork, white onion, and things. What can you say?
Good.
Good. Really good. Who's the best chef?
Jennifer?
Liar!
Jennifer? Liar!
If I'm not the best chef, I will not cook for you.
You know how it looks like, right? When you buy it.
Oh. I know that part. This is your favorite
Always
thing
buy
before.
it. So good.
I'm really good. Yeah. No appetite first. Crazy reason. Ow. Hallelujah. Crazy reason. Look at our sunset. So good. Wow. This is our view. I feel like I want to vlog today. I feel like I want to have this kind of vlog today. Because, I don't know, suddenly, I don't know how you explain that, but there's like a unmotivated feeling. There's one verse here that really talk about me. I don't know if I'm going to share this or not, but I'm going to share it because out of like, I feel, how can I say this one? Like, I just suddenly feel unmotivated. And you know the feeling that, yung feeling na parang walang creativity na lumalabas sa'yo. So you feel unmotivated, there's no creativity, so you don't know what to do, what's happening in your head and things like that. But I just reminded of this version. But I just reminded of this verse. It says in Psalm 37 verse 7, "Be still before the Lord and wait patiently for Him. Do not fret when men succeed in their ways, when they carry out their wicked schemes." So like, when you feel that you're being left out of all the yung parang nalileft out ka na sa mga blessings na gusto mo in life, you just have to remember that God is preparing something for you. Like, naririnig mo na siya many times. And I think it has a purpose kung bakit naririnig mo siya many times already. It's because we keep thinking the same thought, like that kind of same thought from time to time. So I think it's just a reminder for us that be patient, although like there are some days, just like this one, that the blessings that you want to us, it feels so unreal, it feels too far, it feels like it's not going to happen. But you know it already. God already said it to you many times that you just have to wait patiently. You have to wait for her perfect timing because He already planned it. He knows what He's doing and you just have to put your trust in Him. Yeah, so like days like this, I always remind myself that it's okay to feel this way. It's okay that you're feeling that way. It's okay. You just have to pour it to God. Pour out mo lang. You pour out your frustration and you listen to His word, you listen to what He says to you, and always keep reminding yourself and do not listen to the lie of the enemies. You know who you are, you know your God, and you know His plan for you. Yeah. I'm getting so emotional. Charot. Yeah, so, also this, but I feel like, you know what, I still feel grateful right now. Like, maraming mga affected with the earthquakes, with the flood and things that is happening. I don't know what I'm saying, yeah, but yeah, guys, that's it. Okay, guys, so I think that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for listening to me. You know, I'm not yet used to like talking or like vlogging, but I want to document things like this one. But yeah, for the core memories. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next vlog. Wow! Next vlog. Vlogger yarn. Okay. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!